Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll be just introducing you to the Screen application in Linux and what do we use it for. So let's get started. So Screen application is useful when you have to run a long task on a remote machine. Okay, imagine you have a remote machine to which you are connecting using SSH. And what happens, your internet connection gets terminated and you are doing some task using your SSH on your remote machine. So if the connection gets terminated, the session gets terminated, so as the work you were doing, the work will be also getting terminated. So this is a problem when you have some long running work or task to perform on your remote machine over SSH. So that's pretty hectic. So in this case, the Screen application will be coming into use. That is, when you have a Screen application installed on your remote machine, you can create multiple sessions and you can detach the session from the current session so that even if the current session gets exited, that will be running in background. That the Screen application will be running in background. It's similar to creating multiple virtual windows, right? So I'll show you how to install it on your remote machine. Sudo apt-get install Screen. So I have already installed it. You can just install it using this command and you can just confirm the installation minus screen minus version. Okay, that's it. You are getting the version. And in order to create a new screen session, just type in screen minus uppercase S, give it some name. I'll give the name Sam, and you can just type in screen minus ls. Now you are inside the new screen session. That's it. Screen minus ls to display all the sessions that are active. That is this session. You are now inside this session and this session is currently attached, right? Now you can just type in exit to detach, or sorry, not to detach, to terminate this session. Now type in screen, your just screen minus ls. It says that no screen session is found. Okay, you can just create a session again. Okay, you can just detach instead of exiting it so that it will be continuing its process in background just by typing in screen minus d. Now here the message this time changed. That is, instead of screen is terminating, it's showing remote detached from 8175 sum. That sum is the screen that we created and this is its ID. So now perform a screen minus ls. You can see that it's listing a screen and it's showing it's detached instead of attached. Okay, now you can just create another session, that is minus s other one. Okay, now you are inside the other one. Okay, you can just type in screen minus d to detach and now type in screen minus ls. Over here you can see you have two sessions running. You can just exit the terminal, open a new one. It's equivalent to you are losing the SSH session. Now type in screen minus ls. You can see that these two sessions are still there. Okay, now you can reattach to any of these sessions just by typing in screen minus r. R stands for reattach, and just type in the ID 8191. Press enter. So you are now inside the previous one. Just clear it off and just type in screen minus ls. You can see that you are just attached to it. So imagine if you are performing a long task. I have a small sample file over here, a Python file, an infinite loop one. If that program is executing, you cannot just type in just screen minus d to detach, isn't it? So I'll just show you cd desktop python task.py. So it's running. Now you cannot just type in the command screen minus d to detach from this session. Instead use the shortcut control a plus d to detach. Now the message is detached from 8191, the name of the session. Now just you can type in screen minus ls. You can see that we have detached instead of terminating that one. Okay, now you can just move back to that one, just screen minus r and just type in 8191 and press enter. You can see that the previous session has been attached and this task is being executed and it's being continued. It's not being continued, it will be continuing in background. You can just go back and you can just see the progress. Okay, just type Control C to terminate that one. Just clear the screen and just exit. Okay, now just type in screen minus ls over here. You can see that that's gone. Okay, just move on to screen minus r 8175. Now you are inside that screen. Just type in screen ls. You can see that now you are attached to it. Okay, now clear. Sorry, you just type in exit to exit from that session, and screen minus ls would list nothing. That's it, no session. So this is pretty much useful when you have to do some heavy task like syncing the Android repository, which takes many hours to complete. When you're connected to a remote machine and you are performing that, in between your internet connection is lost, the syncing will stop. So in order to perform such tasks, screen will be coming into use. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.